Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Epic Games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Epic Games application on your device. And once you open it up, proceed with logging into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and password or your social media accounts. Once you are logged in, click on the menu icon at the top right corner and then click on Account, which will take you into the account settings page. Now, from this page, if you wish to change your email address, you will see your email address section at the right side of your display name. Click on the Edit button and you will be asked to enter your new email address. Type in your desired new email address and click on Continue, and you will be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your original email address. So go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Epic Games. Just open up this email and you will find your verification code. Just enter this verification code within the given box and click on Continue, and you will once again be asked to check the inbox of your new email address that you entered. So log into your inbox of this new email address and you will find an email from Epic Games. Open up this email and click on Verify Your Email button, and now you can click on the Continue button, and now your email address has successfully been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email on Epic Games account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.